Next is carbylamine reaction, which you already 3 times you wrote that reaction. Therefore, I am just mentioning the statement. Please write the equation. Aniline on warming with chloroform and alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, it forms phenyl isocyanide, which has a very offensive smell. Write the equation. Similarly, diazotization, that is treatment with sodium nitrous acid, that is sodium nitrite and HCl, also you wrote for aliphatic amine getting an alcohol. Here the first step reaction is mentioned. Only the disonium chloride formation is mentioned. Aniline reacts with nitrous acid. Above the arrow write the reactant sodium nitrite and HCl at low temperature, that is 273 to 278 Kelvin, to form diazonium salt. This is the diazonium salt formula: benzene ring and N2Cl plus water. Next is electrophilic substitution. This theory part you know, that is when a group which is already present on the benzene ring does not contain any double bond, the entering group will occupy ortho and para position. If it contains a double bond, it enters the meta position. Here it is not possessing any double bond. Therefore, our products will be mainly ortho and para products. But there are certain conditions should be mentioned for the formation. Let us take first bromination. Electrophilic substitution. 1. Bromination. The halogenation of aromatic amines occurs very fast due to the strong activating effect of the NH2 group, and the substitution takes place usually at the ortho and para positions in the ring, even in the absence of a catalyst, because it is ortho-para orienting group is NH2. For example, when an aniline is treated with bromine water, a white precipitate of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline is obtained almost instantaneously. That is the first product. A tri product is obtained. But we are going to change the condition. In order to obtain a mono-substituted derivative of the activating effect of the NH2 group is first reduced by acetylation. That means this group is protected. NH2 group, when it is present as itself, only a tribromo product is obtained. We don't want a tribromo product, we need a monobromo product. Therefore, this group is first protected using acetic anhydride. That process is known as acetylation. Then the aniline is subjected to halogenation. Only after, then on protecting, you will get the same product what you get on acetylation. Then it is treated with bromine in presence of acetic acid. The protected group will remain as such, and the bromine will enter the ortho position and the para position. That means only a mono product is obtained. That product, when it is subjected to hydrolysis, we get back the aniline with an orthobromine and aniline with a parabromine. Therefore, the first this is named as orthobromoaniline. This one is known as parabromoaniline. That is the bromination effect on aniline.